What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video is another unboxing, and I feel kind of bad because normally on my channel I try to clump my unboxings together, at least by brand or whatnot, and this month they are very separate and like, you know, one after one after one. So I do apologize. That was not my intention. I actually had not expected to get this box until for another couple of days. The tracking system for this box was actually set up to come in on like Friday or Saturday. I don't know if you guys are experiencing the same thing, but I definitely feel like a lot of the packages that I am ordering are definitely not coming in at this time that they say that they're going to be coming in. So I apologize for the amount of videos that are very separated. So yeah, I felt like I owed you guys an explanation as to why every single box had its own unboxing, but that is why it happened. So I hope you guys understand that, and we're gonna get diving right into it. I'm excited to see what's inside this month's box. I have no idea what's coming, which I'm actually very excited about because it definitely still gives me that element of surprise. So let's go ahead and open this up. So there is no shipping weight. I still get asked from time to time what the shipping weight is for my box, but I actually don't have that information. I feel like they stopped putting it on the box for some reason. So the first thing I see here, which is an eyeshadow palette, you guys, I'm very excited because I do not own this palette. This is the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. Oh, I definitely love this packaging. So there is the packaging. Oh, look at those colors, you guys. Very, very beautiful. Go ahead and do a little bit of swatching really quickly. So there are just a couple there, and let's do a couple more really quickly. I'm very excited to do our try on because I definitely feel like we're gonna get to play around with it and do a really pretty bronze eye look. If you guys own this, because I do believe this palette has been around for quite some time now, but if you guys own this palette, let me know down below what your thoughts are on it. There are a couple of brands, in my opinion, that just nail it every time with packaging, and Too Faced definitely has that covered. Like, their packaging is always very much in line with what they're trying to sell. We are moving on to the next thing, which is called Pure Heals by Natural Village, and this is a Centella 90 ampule, which I have no idea what that means. So there you have it right there. I believe this is some type of serum, which it looks like it. And it does say that you can apply morning and night. You just apply it after you cleanse your skin and tone. Next up we have is by Skin & Co. And this is the Eye Contour Concentrate. And it's supposed to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, and dark circles, and any signs of aging. You guys know how much I love eye cream here on my channel. Like, I get so excited about eye cream. That's a lot of packaging for just this little tiny thing. Seriously, not necessary. All right, so here is what the packaging looks like. And then once you open it up, oh, it is filled to the top. Ooh, it smells really good. You know, just a nice white. It's not super thick, definitely not super thick, but it's got like a nice smell to it. I'll definitely start using that. All right, next up we have is this cute little packaging. This is by Sugar Rush, which is by Tarte. I do know this brand because I've actually seen this brand like at our Ulta. I've seen this brand at my Ulta, and it's right next to the Tarte collection. I just have never really dove into anything, maybe because I just feel like that line is definitely more targeted towards a younger audience. I think it's cute and I love the colorful packaging, but I haven't found anything yet that I'm like, I need to have from this collection. I feel like I definitely gear straight more towards just brand of Tarte, just the Tarte brand in general than anything else. But I don't know, might change my mind. So I have this shade called Peony, and this is a lip butter balm. I take back what I said. I definitely take back what I said, because had I seen this, I probably would have been sold. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It smells so good. I have been into lip balms like no other. I just recently purchased one of their new flavors from Fresh, and that is my second one. I got their Lime Mint, which smells just like lime. So if you guys like lime, you will definitely like it. And I've gone through, like, I'm already starting to hit pan on it. Like, that's how much I go through it. I kind of feel bad for talking shit on it, but I'm gonna try it. I will tell you guys, I will definitely try this, and I'll definitely let you guys know what I think about it. First of all, the packaging totally gets to me, but I'm hoping that it actually has a really good product to it and it's not just the cute packaging, you know? But oh my gosh, that smells incredible. Now I feel terrible for talking crap. Next up we have is by Milk Makeup. This here is the Lip Oil, Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. It's a sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for shimmering wash of color. So there you have it. Why do I always want to smell things like immediately? Like the first thing I do is like stick it to my nose. Oh, I have the shade Glimmer, by the way, in case anybody was wondering. That's the shade that I have. And then here it is on the back of my hand. So it definitely has what it looks like are like pink little reflex, which I probably wouldn't use on my cheeks because I feel like that would definitely accentuate my texture. But I don't know, I might give it a shot. I will definitely try it out as like a lip tint though. And then the last thing I have is by Kat Von D. I'm actually impressed by all the brands I'm getting today. This is the Inkwell Liner. It's a longwear matte liner. Longwear matte eyeliner in Lolita. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. There it is. It was bleeding on the back of my hand, but I think it's because I have some of that eye concentrate on it. But now that it's on my arm, it's fine. So there it is right there. I really love that color. You definitely have to be careful. I feel like the packaging's kind of messy. Do you see that? Like I pulled it out and it's already starting to like leak. So just be careful. Yeah, it's already starting to get everywhere. And I feel like just like swatching it, you have to be like very careful with it because you could definitely get a lot of product and it's bleeding. Do you see that? Like it's kind of, you see how it's bleeding on the edges? Yeah. All right, well, we'll give it a shot. That's everything I got in my box, you guys. I will definitely say that I'm actually really impressed with a lot of the items that I received. The only thing I really don't know about as far as like the brand goes is this Pure Heals. And then I want to say we've received something from Skin & Company from this brand before. But yes, aside from that, like I said, I paid $35 for this box, you guys, and I definitely feel like it is worth the money. So if you guys want to check out Boxycharm or you guys want to subscribe or anything, make sure to look down below and I'll have all that information down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're enjoying this nice weather, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.